飞机上英语广播说了什么
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome on board flight CX381 from Shanghai to Hong Kong. We are about to take off. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Keep the window shades open. Your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode, including laptops and cell phones. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing Tanner Airlines. Enjoy your flight. 同学们学会了吗？学会的话不要忘记双击屏幕给Tanner老师点赞哦。